ועשו לי מקדוש ושוכנתי בתוכם. In Shulchan Aruch, Hilchos 18, Siman Kuv Beis, there's a special isur to sit next to someone who is davening Shemona Esrei. If somebody is davening Shemona Esrei, you cannot sit next to him. He's standing and you're sitting. It's a bizoyon. He's being osek in a mitzvah, and you are not being osek in a mitzvah. If you're learning something else, you're davening. What is the shir of Somuch close to him? Shulchan Aruch says, Dalet Amos, 4 Amos, and amulet says 2 feet, 8 feet from the right side, 8 feet from the left side, and in front, Kimelo Einov. You cannot sit within Dalet Amos of the mithpalel unless you have a mechitzo. A mechitzo, and the mechitzo has to be at least 10 tefachim high, about 40 inches. How about behind the person? Can you sit behind somebody who is davening Shemona Esrei? And the Mechaber says, the Shulchan Aruch says there's no problem. But the Ramah says, even behind that person, there is a problem. But now we have a problem to understand this halacha. Ish loimo, next to him, in front of him, you're disturbing. But behind him, he's not seeing you. He doesn't see you. Why shouldn't you be able to sit down behind somebody who's davening Shemona Esrei? And the tas is mechadesh, a hidush nifla. That a person, when he daven Shemona Esrei, is mekadesh around him, Dalet Amos, from all the tzdotim. We could be masbir that tas, that a person when daven Shemona Esrei is mechuyav to be mechaven liboy lirushalayim, lehar habayis, lemokom hamikdosh, lekodosh hakodoshim, miben shnei hakeruvim. When a person daven Shemona Esrei has to think that he is in Yerushalayim, lemokom hamikdosh. There's a din that you're not allowed to sit in the Beis Hamikdosh, en yeshivas b'mikdosh, elo lemalchei David bilvat. So perhaps that's one of the reasons why you're not supposed to sit next to a baltvilo. Then you are going to ask a kashe or bazoi, a person should not wear shoes because you cannot have na'alaim in the Beis Hamikdash. Okay, that part we don't do, but to make a bizoyan to sit next to him, that is an isur. And according to this, there's no difference in side from the person, behind the person. Like the Taz says, there's a kedusha's mikdash. First, the place becomes kodosh. And why is it called kapoires? Chazal say in the word kapoires that the kapoires is mechaper, loshon nofel haloshon. The kapoires, the cover of the Oren HaKodesh is mechaper. How is mechaper? On top of the Oren, there were 2 kruvim. The Gemara says, what means kruvim? Keravio, like children. They had faces of children. A child that is a choite, if a child did an aveiro, he ate something which is not kosher, he doesn't get an oidish. He's a child. He has no das. Koton and loy das. He cannot get an oidish. So the kapores tells the Ribono Shel Olam, they are children. Na'ar Yisrael. Posik in Yehoshua. In Sefer En Eliyahu, Na'ar Yisrael. He has a din of a na'ar. He didn't have kavono. So when a person davens in front of the kapores, in front of the keruvim are mechaper. Slach lo negichotonu, mechal lo negibashonu. We finish Shemona Esrei, we say, Oseh sholem imroimu v'yaseh sholem olenu, v'al kol Yisrael ve'imru omen. Who's supposed to answer omen? You're saying it very quiet. The answer is the shnei kruvim, if we hadn't seen. So when a person is having Shemona Esrei, he's mekadesh the mokum. And the Baal Shem Tov says, how do we know that machshov of a person has kedushas mokum? I can bring the kedushas Yerushalayim to me. From Masechta Eruvin. If somebody Erev Shabbos wants to be konesh fiso, nosen eino beikar ilon meisuyom, and he says, I am there, my feet are there b'shas Erev Shabbos, I'm konesh fiso over there. It's like he's standing over there. You see, me'ain from here that the machshov of a person can produce a mokum. Erev Shabbos, we mekabel Shabbos, we're supposed to be pointed to Mizrach. Before Shabbos, in Mizrach is already Shabbos. Over here, in Mariv side, it's not Shabbos yet. And we say, Boy chalo, I'm mekabel Shabbos before Shabbos, to Sefes Shabbos, by looking at the Mokum Shabbos, over there, Mizrach is already Shabbos, and I want that Shabbos to come over here. I bring the Shabbos closer to me. That's the reason why the Arizal was makbit, to be mekabel Shabbos outside, looking at the Mizrach, and to bring the Mizrach to the Mariv.